Hi boys, today we are going to be looking at converting between metric units and we're going to be looking at the units of centimetres and millimetres. So when we are converting between the two, if we were to convert from centimetres to millimetres, we are going to multiply by 10. And when we are converting from millimetres to centimetres, we're going to divide by 10. And the reason for the number 10 is that we know in 1 centimetre there is 10 millimetres, and that is why we use the number 10 when converting between those two units. First question for you, which is really easy, is use decimal form to write these in centimetres. So we've got the measurement 9 centimetres and 3 millimetres, and I know on my ruler that is right here. So to write that fully as centimetres, we need to use a decimal, and that's going to be 9.3 centimetres. Next question, it is 7 centimetres and 6 millimetres. If I look at my ruler again, that is going to be right here, which is the same as saying 7.6 centimetres. All right, let's go to the next page for the questions. So we are going to be now converting between centimetres and millimetres, and we're going from 43 and we're going to put it into centimetres. So we are going to be having a look at the picture here to double check which way we are going. We're going from millimetres to centimetres, so we're going to be dividing by 10. So we've got 43 millimetres and we need to convert it to centimetres. So we've got 43 millimetres and we are going to divide it by 10. Now, using the method that was taught on Monday's lesson of when we're dividing with a number with a 0 on the end, we are going to imagine that there is a decimal point right there because 43 is a whole number. Now, when looking at the number 10, we have 1 0. Okay, so we're only going to do one jump. Now my decimal point is going to become there in between the 4 and the 3, which makes this new number 4.3 centimetres. So 43 millimetres in centimetres is 4.3 centimetres. Let's have a go at the next question. So we're using decimal form to write 79 millimetres in centimetres. So again, we're going to be dividing by 10. Okay, remembering we've only got 1 0 in the 10, so we're only going to be doing one jump. Here is the decimal point because 79 is a whole number, so the decimal point goes at the end of the ones column, and we're going to be doing one jump. And now this is where our new decimal point is. So the number is going to be 7.9, and we're writing it in centimetres, so it's going to be 7.9 centimetres. Last one for you, a little bit of a tricky one now. So 162 millimetres. We are going to convert this to centimetres, so we're going to be dividing by 10 again. Right, we have again 1 0 when dividing by 10, so we're going to do one jump. Here's where the decimal point is after the units column, and we're going to jump 1. Here is where our decimal point is now. So we've got 16 on one side and 2 on the other. So our new number for writing this as centimetres would be 16.2 centimetres.